Hi again, it's Gun Lover 111. Today I got my favorite two pistols, my favorite two revolvers. Here we got the Browning High Power. It's my newest acquisition. You might have saw that if you saw my last video. It's my favorite. You know, I got three 9mm right now, and well, there's this. I got the Jericho 941 and the Water P99. Also have had the Glock 17 and the Beretta 92 for 9mm. This is my favorite shooting 9mm so far. And if you know why it's my favorite, well, a couple things. It's the smoothness of it, the felt recoil I like, the grip angle, the comfort, the ergonomics of it. The other things, I mean, you know, you could say what you want about your pistols, all that kind of stuff, but it's just like the Glock, as far as I'm concerned. If I was gonna rate these like girlfriends, for example, well, the Glock, you know, it's like girlfriends. You say, well, I love her. She's the greatest thing in the world. Well, the Glock is like, you can say you love it, but it's really just a whore. It's loose. You can throw anything down the tube and it's all bored out and it's done. As far as I'm concerned, people like that, hey. But this thing is sweet. The Browning High Power, it's tight, elegant, smooth lines, super smooth action. And I know, again, that's like, well, my action's smooth, but until, it's like a girlfriend. You say you love it, but until you find the one that you love, then you realize you didn't even know what love was. Well, that's kind of what this is to me now. It's exceptional. So I'm going to shoot this one first, and then we'll get on to the other favorites, and I'll tell you why about what I like about them. Right? You're going to have to get out of my way, cameraman, because I'm going to be shooting down here. It's my 9mm, my home load, so I hope they're going to work okay. Fire a couple rounds. Okay. That's what I like about that. That's such a sweet shooting gun. Well, there's the first mag of that. Here we got, this will be my favorite 1911 style 45. I'll say that. This, oh, why is it my favorite? Well, because it's got all the bells and whistles. When I bought this, it must have took me months before I did it. First, I figured out what did I want in a 1911. You know, so I got, I wrote down all the things. I wrote down the back strap and the front strap and the magazine well, and the extended beaver tail grip safety, full-length guide rod, this style of sight, or this type of sight. Anyway, it didn't have to be the Meprolite night sights, but a Novak style combat sights. And you know, it had to have a good reputation and other things like that. And the really only thing this didn't have, or this has that I don't like, was these front serrations. I don't particularly need them. And as far as I'm concerned, they kind of muck up the the lines. Yeah, I don't really like it, but that's me. Some people like them, some people don't. Other than that, this is perfect. If I bought this gun again, I would go for the HD model. This one has the aluminum frame, which is held up exponentially well. You know, it's a great gun. No problems with it. And this is why it's my favorite. And I'm going to shoot it. The Wilson Combat Mag, which I consider to be the best, but this gun fires pretty much flawless with any mag I've used. You know, I guess it's good to get something with a plastic follower, you know, because that aluminum frame. I've heard stories about on the last round that the steel follower kind of gouges the feed ramp there, but there's no problems here. So let them rip. Okay, I'm out of steel targets. That 45, man, is such a hard hitting round. I'll put some on paper here. I'll finish up the mag. Again, flawless shooter. Got some flack for doing my Wild West finger twirling, so I promise I won't break any safety rules. You have to forgive me for my excitement there. We'll move on here. First, we'll come down here, we'll set these targets up, show you what we're shooting. Wood's getting a little chewed up here, but okay. And we're 8-inch round plates, falling plates. There are poppers. That's at this range anyway. There's another one over there. It's got poppers like that, a dueling tree, and some pins. That's all fun. This area back here, you know, it's about 30 yards over there, and I like it. It's like an action pit, and it's a little more secluded, and that's what I like to shoot. This baby here, this is my favorite revolver. This is my Smith & Wesson 586, 6-shot, masterpiece of beauty. Anyway, load this up. Why is it my favorite? You know, the thing about this 586, it feels so good in the hand. It has a perfect balance. I don't know if I can explain what I mean by that. It's got enough weight that you don't have a substantial amount of recoil when you shoot even the hottest loads. You know, that 4.2-inch barrel length, it doesn't make it front heavy, so it feels like it doesn't feel front heavy in your hand. It doesn't feel grip heavy. It doesn't feel like it got a high bore axis. It's just perfectly well-rounded pistol with adjustable sights, and it's my favorite revolver. Maybe my favorite handgun. You know, I like to shoot revolver lots in the winter because I'm a super brass whore and I don't like losing this stuff. So, you know, autos, and they're everywhere, right? Yeah, so revolver, you just clink in the bag and we're good to go. Anyway, I'll pop a few of these babies out. One sweet shooting revolver, man. Oh yeah, he's a dream. There we go. This weapon 586, 357 mag. And this one here, this was my favorite for a long time. I've since, I won't say retired it, but it's kind of became my son's favorite revolver now. Uh, it's a big gun. It's the 627 357 Magnum, built on that 44 mag frame, and you can see why. It's it's a tank. It is built heavy. Uh, Very minimal recoil felt with the most stoutest loads. Got that 5.5-inch barrel, and she's accurate, and that grip is beautiful to hold on to. Stainless, just cleans up. Clean, nice little wipe, and she's good to go. I like that full non-fluted cylinder, full underlug, and Smith & Wesson, man, it's just fantastic. This is the made during a gun of the month run from Smith & Wesson. It's the model of 1989. That's its official designation. You see here, Smith & Wesson model of 1989. It's not a pin barrel, but it has the firing pin mounted hammer, which I like. You know, and we'll shoot a couple of those now. You know, medium hot hand load. Using the Cam Pro 124 grain copper plated bullets. They're kind of like a Barry's bullet, but these are a little bit better. They have a thicker plating. They don't seem to crack if you, or flake off if you grip them too hard. Quite amazing. You can load them up just as hot as a 357, full 357 full metal jacket load, and with no problems at all. They're excellent quality bullets, and I really like them. Oh, let's shoot a couple of these babies. There's a sweet shooting pistol, boys. There we go. I can't fucking count to 6, so I don't know if I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. There we go. Just a sweet shooting gun. I would say buy one, but you probably can't. You're not gonna find one. You might if you're lucky. If you like this thing, but you're not gonna find a gun like this. Not in Canada, anyway. Look at that beauty. I see when my son likes that, you know, just shooting that against, like, yeah, I know what that's all about, man. It's nice, it's nice. So, I'll shoot another round of Browning High Power, because that's my newest acquisition, and I got a full mag, so I like it. And I got one target up there that I missed because I'm excited, and I'm not really concentrating. I'm just point and shooting kind of thing, and tend to miss. You know, I don't care. I'm here to have fun. It isn't about saving my life today. It's about having fun, spending time with people you love. targets now. All right. There you go. Talking about smooth. There you are. That's my four favorite handguns at the moment. And if you have any questions about them, sure to ask. I think I'm going to sign out here, and I'm going to start shooting with my son and have some fun. I've got some beer at home I'm going to try. I was recommended from a fellow I subscribed to about a week ago, and it was called a Barking Squirrel Lager from Hop City Breweries, another Canadian brewery. I'm excited about trying some of that out, and I'll give a shout out to him when I remember his name, and I'll post a little video of that. Thank you very much. You guys have a good day. Peace.